Welcome back to the channel. Part 2 of this bike carrier which we got from eBay. Went together okay, no problems, just a little bit of damage there, but we've got that all sorted. For those who want to know how we put the plate on, what we've done, take that off, we velcro it using the male and female velcro, stick it on there, put your other one on there, peel the back off, stick it on. That also holds these cables in. So basically, wind it up, put that out of the way, and it's done. They ain't gonna go anywhere. Right, so we're going to put this on there. Basically, we've got that, slides on. Like so. Screw that nut down. Like so. 24mm spanner, and do that up. Nice and tight, like that. This lock thing slides over there. Lock that in. Like that. Right. There. So yeah, that bolt's 24mm. Undo these. Just enough. Not a lot of thread on it. There we go. 90 degrees. Using these. Goes in there, like so. Not too bad. One feature I like of this is this bar. Pull that, push that down, it drops. So you can, at least you can open the back and sort of get in there. Right, so we've got 2 bikes here. And what we're going to do, put the bikes on there. So let's give it a go. So I'm adjusting all these to the end. I'm going to get this bike. Need a bit of adjustment. So I'm just going to get a tool. As you can see, we need to slide them that way to make it fit. Get it on there. So I will be back in a second. See you in a second. Sort of a little more. Right, we've got them both on there. Fit really nice. Right, like I said, can there. Bend it right down to there. While I'm here, I'll put that in 13 pin with the adapter to a 7. I'll put that in there. So, there. And we can still give us that much so we can get stuff in here now. Right. Yeah, we've got these clamps here. They can go either way. If I lift it back up. Like so. Got these clamps here. That one there, if you've got a third bike on, Just make sure it's up in the air, all laid over there. I'll just put it down there for now because we've only got 2 bikes. These here, just a penny drive, unscrew that, and they will, like so. You just got the thing there, press that, through the wheel, do that. So what we're going to do, I'll just put them back down there, about there, in case we have a third bike on here. So yeah, we've got number plate, like I said, Velcro, male and female Velcro. Just put it on and off. As we've got 2 cars, so we can use it on both plates will go on there. I'll just go and put the lights on, make sure they all work. Right, so we're going to end the video there. We'll do another update later, but yeah, just a quick, yeah, pretty pleased with that. £121 we paid for it, and yeah, pretty happy with that. We're going to take it to France later on in the year with the bike, so yeah, please like and subscribe for future content. Subscribing's free, and that will really help the channel, especially if you give it a thumbs up as well. Anyway, until the next video, I'll see you all later. Bye bye.